Does your family law website feel outdated, cluttered, or just not as effective as it should be? If your website isn't designed to build trust, answer questions, and convert visitors into clients, you could be missing out on valuable opportunities every single day. Here's the truth. Potential clients aren't just Googling family law attorney and picking the first name they see. They're looking for someone who stands out, someone who understands their challenges, and most importantly, someone they feel they can trust. And for most people, your website is where that decision begins. It's like your digital handshake, your introduction. It's where prospective clients will decide, often in a matter of seconds, if you're the law firm they should work with during one of the most difficult times of their lives. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what makes a family law attorney's website not just functional, but highly effective. I'm talking about the kind of website that builds trust, connects with your audience, and generates a steady flow of leads for your law firm. Whether you're starting from scratch or updating an existing site, these strategies can make all the difference. So let's dive in. When someone lands on your website, the first thing they need to feel is confidence. Confidence that you're not only qualified to handle their legal issue, but also that you understand their situation. Family law is deeply personal, and your website needs to reflect that. This starts with design and visuals. A clean, modern design with professional imagery can go a long way in making a positive first impression. But building trust goes beyond just appearances. It's also about the tone and messaging on your website. For example, are you addressing your potential clients' pain points? Are you acknowledging their concerns and providing reassurance? For someone going through a divorce, child custody dispute, or other family legal matter, these are emotionally charged situations. Your website should show empathy, letting them know you're not just a legal professional, you're someone who's ready to help them navigate a tough time. Now, let's talk about clarity. This is a common stumbling block for many law firm websites. When someone visits your site, they don't want to feel overwhelmed by too much information or confused where to click next. They're looking for answers, quickly and easily. That's why clarity is key. Everything on your website should be simple and straightforward, from the navigation menu at the top to the language you use. Potential clients should be able to instantly understand 1. What services you offer, 2. How can you help them, and 3. How to get in touch with you. Your site should have clear, user-friendly navigation so clients aren't wasting their time hunting for information. A great example of this is having a dedicated section for each of your services, like divorce, child custody, spousal support, and adoption. That way visitors can immediately find what they're looking for. And don't forget to include FAQs. Many potential clients have similar questions, and addressing those on your website can be a huge time saver for both you and them. Plus, it's another way to demonstrate your expertise and understanding of their concerns. Finally, let's get the most important element of all, action. A beautiful, well-organized website won't do you any good if it doesn't encourage visitors to take the action step. That's going to be, each page of your site should include a clear call to action. This could be a button prompting visitors to schedule a consultation, fill out a contact form, or call your office. But here's the trick. Your call to action needs to be easy to find and, more importantly, compelling. Don't just say, "Contact us." Instead, frame it in a way that speaks directly to your client's needs, like, "Let's work together to find the best solution for your family." The easier and more inviting you make it for someone to reach out, the more likely they're going to take action. Now here's where it all comes together. When you combine trust, clarity, action, your website becomes more than just an online brochure. It transforms into a powerful tool that works for your practice 24/7. I've seen it time and time again with attorneys we work with. By upgrading their websites, they're not just getting more leads, they're getting better leads. These are leads from clients who are already sold on their professionalism and expertise before they even pick up the phone. Think about what that could mean for your practice. No more wasting time on unqualified leads, no more stressing over whether the website is pulling its weight. Instead, you'll have a system that works seamlessly, in the background, helping you grow your firm while you focus on what's really important, helping clients. So, how do you know if it's time to update your website? I'm going to ask you. Ask yourself these questions. Is your website easy to use both on desktop and mobile? Does it reflect the professionalism and empathy that you bring to your law firm? And lastly, is it helping you consistently bring in qualified leads? If the answer to any of these questions is no, then yep, it's time to make a change. The good news is you don't have to do it alone. At Forward Push Law Firm Marketing, we specialize in designing websites specifically for law firms and family law firms in particular. We know what it takes to create a website that not only looks great, but also drives results. And the best part, we'll make the process simple and stress-free. That way, you can focus on running your law firm while we handle all the rest. If you're ready to take your website and your law firm to the next level, schedule your free consultation with Forward Push Law Firm Marketing right now. Let's create a website that works as hard as you do and helps your law firm grow. Thanks for listening, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and that way you'll know what's coming up next.